Slow or dead? Before you reset everything, stop. I'll show you how to fix it. First, restart your modem and router. Unplug them from power. Count to 30, then plug the modem back in. Wait until it's fully on. Then plug in the router. Next, check your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Turn airplane mode off. If nothing loads, forget the network. Reconnect and re-enter the password. Now, check the router lights. Green or blue is good. Red or blinking is not good. Push in every cable tightly. Swap it out if you have a spare. Next, test another device. Try a phone, tablet, or laptop. If it works, your internet is fine. That device is the problem. Restart it or run updates. If Wi-Fi fails, use an Ethernet cable. If wired internet works, move closer. Keep it from microwaves and metal. Wi-Fi hatch interference. Still nothing? Check for outages. Your provider could be down. Check their site or call support. Those are the fastest internet fixes. Restart, check Wi-Fi, check lights. Test another device, go wired. And check for outages. Share this with someone who needs it. Hope this saved your sanity.